Hi you all, welcome to my channel. It's Timmy and today I'll be doing my makeup look today. Get started with me. So now I will be applying my primer, and my primer is from CoverGirl, and then my NARS foundation all over my face. Okay, so we're trying to look really beautiful. I am trying to look beautiful. And now apply the gel liner to my eyebrow, and then use my NARS concealer and just draw my my underbrow and my upper brow too. Give it a nice heart shape. And then I'm just going to blend. Use my half primer and blend. Use my NYX eyeshadow. I'm using the purple and I'm just going to blend that along my crease. I'll continue blending. And then I'll use my Essence eyeshadow in gold. And then I'm just going to continue blending. And blending. And blending. And oh my gosh, blending. I'm really feeling this purple look. It reminds me of when the leaves are falling off the trees. So now I'm just going to draw a wing. I'm having a hard time drawing that, eh? And then I'm just going to line it from the top. And then I'm going to blend. And blend. And I'm going to apply my mascara. And my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm going to use this concealer just under my eye. And I'm going to use my eyeshadow just underneath my eyes. So just give me some color there, just to intensify the look around my eye area. And then I'll wear my mascara. So I'll be putting a lot of coats of mascara on because I won't be putting on any false lashes. So I'll blend. Then I'm gonna use my NYX eyeshadow and just use it to blend around my cheekbones so I can contour that area. And then just contour my nose so I can look like a little doll. And then I'm just going to use my translucent powder just underneath my eye and my chin area, and then along my cheek area. And I'll continue doing that. And I'm just trying to feel sexy here, but sexy got wrong. So I'm still going to continue contouring my nose area. And then I'm just going to blend. And then I'm going to use my MARCIER just to go over the areas where I put on the brown eyeshadow to contour. And I'm just going to wear another coat of mascara, of course. I feel like I do like this look with a scarf. Only if I tied it properly, then I would really like it even more. So now I'm going to use my lipstick as my blush. And then just blend that. Blend. And the look is really nice. I think I like it. And then I'm just going to apply my Fenty Beauty glitter. And I'm just going to apply it just around my face, just around the eyebrow area. And I'm gonna use my Essence lip liner. Line my lip so I can look gorgeous, of course, this look. And honestly, I like that look like that, just a lip liner, but I'm just going to top it up with a blue lipstick I got from MAC. I don't know, for some reason I tend to gravitate towards more darker looking lipsticks. I just like them for some reason. And yeah, I like it. And yeah, I'm just going to blend it. Blend, 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 blend. And that's my final look. I put on my wig, and that wig was made by me. And here I'm feeling gorgeous, like feeling like I'm on top of the world. Yes, 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 yes. Can someone spray me some money right now? Yeah, I'm feeling on top of the world. But thank you guys so much for watching this. If you do enjoy this content, do not forget to press the like button and leave any comments. Anything would be really appreciated. Okay, bye, bye now.